Hello, uh, my biography, my past. Where, where were you born? I was born in Mexico. Where did you live? I used to live in the municipality of Ecatepec. What were you doing before I started preparing Linea SEP? Before starting preparing Linea SEP, he was studying secondary school and helping my family at home. My achievements. Uh, what are the three most important achievements in your life? What managed the education left after parliament, made the word of orders, finish secondary school. Uh, we both experience which you have ever some difficulty. One difficult moment in my life was learning to organize my time, both my school and my responsibilities and home. At first, he was hard, but I learned to create as doing and be disciplined. The experience made me stronger and more confident.